90% of computer lag is not a CPU issue. Just like this computer. It often experiences lag while working. This troubles the owner greatly. Checking the computer's specifications reveals the hard drive is only 256 gigabytes. Before the upgrade, the read and write speed was around 1300. Such read and write speeds would definitely cause lag. That goes without saying. Of course, there are many reasons for computer lag. The first could be an overly high system version. Compatibility issues can lead to performance problems. The second reason involves internal factors. For this generation of machines, the CPU generates a lot of heat. However, this model has limited cooling capabilities. After running for a while, it may throttle performance. This can also cause lag. The third reason is insufficient hard drive capacity. Even smartphones are struggling with 256 gigabytes now. How could a computer with 256 gigabytes be enough? While cleaning, removing the dirt around the hard drive. The process involves careful cleaning. Ensure it is spotless. Next, prepare the hard drive and apply solder. Let it be. Carefully reinstall the hard drives one by one. Once soldered, the setup can continue. After securing everything, clean the case interior, reattach the motherboard, and secure it with screws. After cleaning, put it back together and tighten the screws. It's time to power on for testing. Next comes the moment of truth. The computer's read and write speed skyrockets. It's impressive. Now, the computer has been upgraded successfully. If your computer also needs an upgrade, contact me directly.